A lot of faceless YouTube creators who used to upload constantly have suddenly disappeared over the past month or so. The big question is, what happened? Well, here's what really happened. Back when those creators were uploading every single day, Grok AI was completely free. But after Grok updated their platform, things changed. This is now a paid tool, and honestly, not everybody can afford another monthly subscription just to make content. Because of that, a lot of creators slowed down or stopped uploading altogether. But here's the crazy part. What if I told you that you can still use Grok AI for free and continue uploading videos consistently just like before?
Yep, and that's exactly what I'm gonna show you in this video. No credits, no limits. Every few minutes, you can create as many videos as you want for free. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I'm gonna walk you through everything step by step. And one more thing, share this video with other creators so they can learn this method too.
All right, now let me take you over to my screen and show you exactly how to do this. So guys, right now I am inside ChatGPT. I gave ChatGPT a simple idea for some images and videos.
And quick tip, always edit your script yourself before using it. Just because AI wrote it doesn't mean it's perfect. Make sure everything sounds natural and flows well.
Now that our script is ready, let's move to the next step. I'm opening the Google Play Store. If you're on iPhone, you can use the App Store instead. In the search bar, type Gen V. Mine already says open because I already installed it. Just tap consent. After that, you'll see a few introduction screens explaining the app features like text to video, image animation, and AI video generation. Just keep tapping continue. It may also ask if you want notifications. You can allow them or skip it. Now we're inside the app dashboard. If you look here, you'll see both image generation and video generation options. You'll also notice that Grok AI is integrated directly inside the app. By default, the aspect ratio might be set to vertical. I'm changing mine to 16:9 because I want to make YouTube landscape videos. Now personally, this is what I recommend instead of wasting my time generating images inside the app. I use Google Flow to create my images for free. So let's do that. I'm going back to my script and copying the first scene description. Then I'll open Google and search for Google Flow. I really love using Google Flow because it gives you high quality images for free. And most of the time it generates 2 different versions so you can pick the one you like best. After signing in, I'll paste my prompt into the generator. Before generating, make sure the aspect ratio is set to 16:9. Now I'll hit generate. And just like that, it creates 2 images for me. I'm choosing the one I like most and downloading it to my phone. Now let's turn that image into a video. I'm going back into the Gen V app and selecting video generation. Then I'll paste part of my script into the prompt box. After that, I'll tap the gallery icon and upload the image I just created with Google Flow. Once the image is uploaded, I'll hit create. The app may ask you to agree to AI provider terms. Just tap agree.
The implications of this technology
now the
for
video
the city
starts
are
generating.
huge. I mean,
and honestly, this
optimizing
is one of the
traffic flow
reasons I really
alone
like
would
this
change
app. The videos generate fast. There's no watermark. And the results actually look pretty good. That's actually impressive for a free tool. Now, if you want to save the video, just tap the download button. Since we're using the free version, you'll probably need to watch a short ad before downloading. Once the ad finishes, the video will automatically save to your gallery. And that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this method out. And again, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials and AI content creation updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.